to a short video, I want to explain how the affiliate system works, and it's pretty easy. You just need an account on TradingShenzhen, then you just log in. We take the test account. Nope. So when you are logged in, there are three settings you need to know. There is a referral program, affiliate program, and my rewards. The referral program, it's pretty general. You can link to the whole website. You get also the commission of 2%. But this is really practical if you want to link to a whole website or you want to link to a category. When you want to link to a category, you see when you make it, it's added this tag, refs 9299. And for example, if you click on new and you want to link this category, just add this to this category. And everybody who's coming in on this category and buys any product, doesn't matter, you get the 2% commission. The only disadvantage is you're not getting this €5 special voucher pop-up, which I'll show you later. And the statistics is really general. You get only what was the order and your commission. That's it. The better solution is the affiliate program. The affiliate program links to special products. You can go here on affiliate programs, search for it. On the bottom you have a search, or you can filter for it. And here you have the links. What's also possible, you go just on any website. When you are logged in, you see on every website here a small box where you can just copy this link and you get 2% commission. You see also how much it is. And when this is added into your post, then people get also linked to your account and they get this great pop-up of €5 discount when they buy right now, which is a little bit better, so it triggers the people more to buy it. And the other advantage is that you get more statistics. So you see here my sales, you see which product was bought and which product was linked, how many sales been made, how many views been made. And don't worry if you link, for example, the OnePlus 8 and somebody buys Huawei MediaPad M6, it's also recognized. It doesn't mean that the customer has to buy especially this product which you link. But when he buys another product, for example, the Redmi K30, you will see one sale, one view, because this was only one time viewed and one sale. It wasn't specially viewed on this one. It doesn't count to this view. So here you have some more statistics. You see a little bit more details and everything. This is a way better solution to get information what was good, what was not good. And under my rewards, you see all the rewards as a statistics, referral, affiliate, loyalty, others. You see the whole history. Of course, for the referral, you see only how much, but not the product. In affiliate, you see the products. Sometimes they are canceled because people, cancel the order afterwards. And you can, of course, withdraw it. Start, I think, from €100. You can withdraw it in Bitcoin, PayPal, bank wire. Just click on it, write down your Bitcoin or PayPal address, and OK. And you can convert it into a voucher, which can be used to make an order, which of course can be combined with others vouchers. So this isn't a problem.